it's not wrong.
If I didn't cheat in the past, I don't meet this girl right now.
You get it. Like,
Like-
you're seeing the vision. Like, you
Like-
needed to make those mistakes to become the man you are.
And I wanted to tell my girl this.
Yeah.
You low-key gotta thank the exes.
I hear it.
You gotta thank...
Because without them, I wouldn't be me right now.
Yeah, I'd be worse.
You know what I'm saying? Huh?
Yeah, I'd be worse.
Oh, no, 100%.
Yeah, 100%. I'd be like,
yeah.
yeah, like even if we did meet, I'd be wilding.
I've been saying, like, if I had met my girl at like another point previously, I don't think she would have liked me. No, she would have liked me, but like we wouldn't be together because I needed that little growth.
If there's not a stage in my life where my girl wouldn't like me, but it's just I feel like I would.
Yo. Sorry, don't ever one up me with my girl ever again. But
yeah,
like,
don't
ever one up me. Don't ever do it in your life.
My girl. Who do you think we win? My girl or your girl in a fight?
In a fight, not my girl.
I feel like my girl would win.
I don't know.